Hey guys, how are you doing? So I got a question for you. I went and picked up a deck system. I ordered it from Deck for my 2018 Sierra. Love this truck. But I went and picked it up at Dayton Freight because they said they couldn't get it to me till Wednesday. So I said, hey, can I come pick it up? They said yes. So do you think I should be concerned about the condition of this box? I'm going to show you. Here's up in the corners, one of these corners, a picture of the boxes that people had on the internet. I'm going to show you mine. Should I be concerned? I'm going to put this thing together in a little bit here, but let's go look at this thing. So when I went there to get this, here's my box. Does that look anything like the one up there in the corner of the screen? I don't think it does. So I'm hoping there's no missing parts. Nothing's busted, but it looks like I can see something right here already, but I don't know if that's just the manufacturing. It could be. But we're going to find out when I put this thing together. It looks like it may just be the manufacturing. Kind of thin right there. Not sure what part that is. But we'll check it out. Not too happy about this. I'm hoping everything is there and I'm not going to waste my time starting to put this thing together or have to wait for another one to come. Alright guys, I will see you in a few. I'm going to get everything out of the box. I'll lay it down on the ground and then we'll start putting this thing into the back of my truck. See you guys later.